Hi, I'm Alex from Chad's Ford Fireside Shop, and welcome to our video shop tour. Okay, so here we are in the electric area. As you can see, we sell both traditional as well as contemporary electric products. We offer fireplaces and wall mounts for fresh installations, and logs and inserts for converting existing fireplaces. Electric hearth products are easy to install, don't require any venting, and can be run with just the flames and no heat for year-round enjoyment. Here are some traditional electric fireplaces from DIMPLEX and Napoleon. These are two examples of the DIMPLEX REVILLUSION line, the 30-inch and 36-inch portrait. The REVILLUSION series features multiple lighting effects and very realistic flames that look like they're really floating between the glowing logs. The Napoleon ASCENT 40 is one of our largest traditional electric fireplaces and uses technology to project the moving flame pattern behind the glowing log set. The new Napoleon Element 36 has updated flame technology, glowing log control, and multiple mood lighting choices. We work with contemporary electric fireplace products from Napoleon fireplaces like the Allure and Allure Vertical, Allure Vision, and Tri-Vista Multi-Sided series, modern flames like the Landscape FULLVIEW series and AMBIANCE CLX series, and DIMPLEX like the Ignite XL series. Most contemporary electric fireplaces offer an array of controls to adjust flame intensity, colors, and other lighting effects. If there are glass doors on the fireplace, one of our realistic electric log sets, like a DIMPLEX REVILLUSION, Napoleon Woodland, or Modern Flames Sunset Charred Oak can be installed behind them. Or a full electric insert with faceplate can cover an unsightly or drafty fireplace opening.